Ask me if I love you, and I took all my reply. I'd rather hurt you easily than mislead you with a lie. And I am all where you judge you and what you say or do. I'm only just beginning to see the real you. And sometimes when we touch, the honesty is so much that I have to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down.